Today, we stand together at the breathtaking Anavilundava wetlands nestled in the pristine northwest of Sri Lanka to mark a momentous occasion, the World International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem. Our commitment to this cause is embodied in our ambitious project known as Advantis Blue C. Mangroves, hailed as remarkably productive ecosystems, form a haven for a multitude of plant and animal species. At the forefront of our battle against climate change, they wield an indispensable power in carbon sequestration, standing tall as one of nature's most potent defenses. In collaboration with the Department of Wildlife Conservation, Department of Forests, Viber University and Wildlife and Nature Protection Society, Advantis spearheads a project which regenerates and restores approximately 40 hectares of mangrove forests in the Anavilundava wetlands that have been damaged and destroyed due to prawn farming and other human activities. On October 28, 2022, Advantis took a momentous step in acknowledging the significance of scientific research in safeguarding mangrove ecosystems. This contribution came in the form of a prefabricated laboratory, a testament to our commitment to preserving these vital coastal habitats. The laboratory will serve as a hub for researchers, experts, and stakeholders from various institutions and organizations, and for local and international students to study and facilitate effective conservation measures. Advantis will also assist the research process by engaging employees in the field to assist with gathering floral and faunal data. This compilation of research data underscores Advantis' efforts in taking a hands-on approach to contribute to the global scientific community. Through this collaboration, Advantis continues to demonstrate its commitment to coastal ecosystem restoration, sustainable development, and community engagement. The restoration of the mangroves at Anavilundava promises far-reaching benefits encompassing biodiversity conservation, climate change mitigation, and a tangible improvement in the livelihoods of the local communities.